Get your grubby little hands off it.
Welcome back to Shef Satt, the show where we have absolutely no idea what we're doing. Today, we bring to you another Smackdown episode. What's the title of this one?
Who can make the best sushi roll?
Who can make the best sushi roll? We have our special guests, Peter and Sam DiCaprio here. Give them a round of applause. So without further ado, 3, 2, 1.
Let us chef.
I think our sushi's gonna be very good, but you guys are pro, you have a YouTube channel. So make sure when you make the rice that you rinse it. My pit bull ate my handles, a bamboo handle, but I like the knife. I love the knife.
Yeah.
So my buddy John made this for me. Shout out to John, thank you so much. And if you don't have the money to spend on a sushi knife, this is you have the same knife, right?
Yeah, same exact one.
It's such a good knife, it's a good steel. We have also our rice, our nori, or I'm sorry, not our rice, our seaweed. Rice vinegar, which is a super important part. Don't use anything else but rice vinegar. We have sesame seeds, wasabi, ginger, toasted sesame oil. These we found, what, 6 months ago? These are wasabi flavored, wasabi coated roasted sesame seeds.
Wow.
They go on top and they crunch a little bit. They're really, really, really good. So when you have your sushi steak, this is a great one. This part here is more fatty. So just kind of cut. See how there's a little bit of that sinew? That's the stuff you make your rolls out of because you chop it up and the texture like goes away.
Yeah.
But this is the stuff you make your nigiri and your sashimi right out of. What's your favorite sushi restaurant so far? I mean,
shout out to Ginza. Ginza is amazing.
Ginza in Poughkeepsie. Your mic is on.
Oh.
Gluten-free soy sauce just
Tastes better than regular
it's so
sauce.
much better than regular soy sauce. I don't really know why.
You know what? Because the originally, like way back when the Japanese made soy sauce, they didn't put any gluten in it.
Is that true?
Yeah. That's why it tastes better. Take a look at this. This is how you eat fish.
Just be patient.
Get your grubby little hands off it. Bad.
I think the first time I had a really good, like, full sushi meal was with my sister in Paraguay. Actually, it was in Brazil, I'm sorry. It was Brazil.
Oh, wait. You know how to eat nori?
Yeah, good luck with that one.
What do you think is like the biggest contributing factor to sushi? Is it the rice or the fish? Like,
What do you mean?
like if you had to get one wrong, what would make the sushi still good? Like the rice, the fish, the nori?
If you had to get one wrong?
Yeah, like you had to get one wrong, but still make it good. What would it be?
Well, when the fish is not good, there's nowhere to hide. I got sick. I was in Denmark, and I got whatever.
I can make
tuna
one
tartare.
sound to describe
It wasn't sushi.
everything that happened.
It wasn't sushi. It was tuna tartare, and it was rough. All right, we're back. We have our rice with a little bit of rice vinegar.
That's just that like spicy bait.
And I put it on the edge of the roll, so it acts like an adhesive. So you roll when you roll the pieces up.
We call it tasty glue.
What's your favorite roll?
Oh, probably the tuna avocado. I love tuna.
Tuna avocado is really good.
Oh, sugar avocado. How's it
Oh,
going?
you didn't bring an
That's
avocado?
a simple one.
Wait, avocado.
If you hit it with a little bit of toasted sesame oil, just a little bit. Oop.
Yeah, this is definitely my favorite hat now.
Yeah.
Have you met my grandma, Nani?
Mm-hmm.
I swear she's the best cook I've ever met. Like, she could make dirt taste good. Like, I'm not even joking. I ate some of her Caesar salad, and I hate salad.
Wow!
I am Steve Rogers.
Yeah. I can't remember the name. I can never remember the name of
The
this thing.
Guadalupe.
Guadalupe.
It's the Guarancino.
Guamuchilito roll.
Guamuchilito.
Guamuchilito. So we're gonna call
How
it
do
the
you
G
define
roll. I typed in Mexican sushi and this is what came up. So
You did this on purpose?
correct. We got cream cheese, shrimp, imitation crab, and avocado, and like some chipotle sauce. Michael Reeves, that's how I feel like right now.
That is exactly what you look like, dude.
Yeah. wait, hold on. Mamma mia!
smells like fish. I don't know. So basically for this one, it's actually gonna be rice on the outside.
Yeah?
Yeah, that's
You're
correct.
right. I'm inventing things, folks. Welcome to the new kitchen. Woo! New kitchen. Woo, woo, woo.
Where's your favorite sushi spot around here?
Ginza.
Yeah.
For sure. Ginza's become my favorite. Just from going with you guys, like,
Sriracha and
come on.
Nicely done. That was taking a week to do that. You guys are awesome. You're a team.
oh, and one out.
Yeah. Thanks for spreading them to get that freaking thing in.
I had to hit my warrior stance. My favorite sushi spot around here is Mr. Sushi in Pompton Lakes, Pompton Plains, whichever one you call it.
This is a good idea. Too much.
I think you're doing great.
Awesome. That's great. Listen, this is the first time I'm making sushi, so.
I think it's gonna
Really?
Yeah,
You never made sushi?
never made sushi before.
Yeah,
Yeah, you gave me the worst job.
I seem to do that a lot.
Yeah. I want you to julienne these onions, and I'm like, I hate you.
What do you say, bro?
What do you say, bro? What do you say?
You say.
Get this. Right out of the gate.
It's really good, dude. Yes, that looks super good, dude. Sorry, I'll get out of the way.
You know what else?
You know what else is massive? Imagine if you got a little taper fade.
So what's this roll called now?
Don't ask Esther.
Well, that one's
The G roll.
that's the G roll.
This is it's the guamuchilito roll.
What fish don't you like? Mackerel?
I hate mackerel.
Me too.
Hate mackerel. Both my dad and Anaya love mackerel, and I can't.
Is that the same, Noah? Mm-hmm. Where's the seaweed?
The seaweed.
Oh, I forgot the seaweed. Thank you.
Good catch.
Yeah, appreciate that.
It's supposed to be like a
Drizzle.
drizzle, but this ain't a drizzle cap. Where's the sesame seeds?
It's in a drizzle cap.
Cap.
Yeah.
Look at the size of that piece.
That thing is.
It's like 4 or 5 pieces.
First time making sushi. I'd give it like a 6, maybe.
Wait, hold on. This is your first time ever making sushi?
In any form. Yes.
Oh no.
I'm proud of you.
Thank you.
You did really good though.
I appreciate that.
That's a dinner, like that roll. You get that roll and a little bit of miso, you're done.
That's so true.
I'm done just looking at it.
But there's
That
something
thing
cool
is
about having a
really
huge roll. But
All right, so we are finished making it. So now we're going to clean up and have the first bite of our side.
Oh, Anaya texted you.
Ooh.
All right, we are back with the official taste test for the SmackDown Sam and Pete's part. Super excited. This presentation looks incredible. So we're gonna dive right in. Pete, you wanna explain to us what we've got in front of us here? Yeah, we have Chef.
we just have some tuna sashimi, a little bit of sesame oil and toasted sesame seeds, wasabi and ginger at your liking. And then this is the spicy tuna roll with a little bit of the wasabi covered sesame seeds rolls. Just a fancier cut of the tuna. And you have the nigiri. This already has a little bit of wasabi underneath the fish. And then that's a tuna avocado roll.
Yep. Thank you. Put the words right in my mouth. You said it better than
Man,
That toasted sesame oil is a good
adds so
just,
much.
Just a little bit.
Just a little bit.
And the sesame seeds too. I used to put the wasabi seeds on it, which is good, but sometimes it adds a little too much.
It's super good. Dude, I would,
That itch on
like
the
if
back
this was
of
at a
my head.
restaurant, I would order this 100%.
Great job, guys. Killed it.
It's all gone.
It's all done. All right, we're gonna go on to our sushi roll now.
The flavors. I'm actually not even doing soy sauce.
It's pretty good.
That's not bad.
I think it's good.
That's not bad at all. I was expecting not that good.
Oh,
Yeah.
The Tabasco doesn't like.
dude.
I was worried the Tabasco would be like the only thing you taste.
I think you beat us.
It's fine.
I don't know about that, but maybe.
Dude, that's good.
Yeah, it's not bad.
I think if I was doing it, I'd add a little sliced red onion or pickled onion, like that.
Give it that crunch.
That crunch. That's good though.
Super good.
It does need a crunch.
It's really good.
Do you guys have cucumbers? Because cucumbers. are very
Ooh,
good.
cucumbers would have been good in this. All right, we have. Let's try it again.
That's awesome, dude.
All right, we have our 2 rolls. Who is the? Oh! I guess the tuna avocado wins.
Oh my goodness. Are you okay?
Did he actually get?
All right, guys, that
Thank
was
you for
awesome.
watching.
Yeah,
That was a ton of fun.
absolutely.
Fish.
Thanks for coming on.
Yeah. you guys
Super
did
cool
great.
having you
You're very,
guys.
very
We've been
welcome.
talking about having you guys on for a long time.
I'm
so
okay.
Okay.
Glad we got to do it.
Yeah. And without further ado, bon appetit.
Bon appetit.
Uh-oh. Multiple teeth, huh?